One of our key differentiators at DroneDeploy is the fact that we have our own automated flight app and mission planning tool directly within the product. Starting with our standard map and model, you're going to begin by outlining the area you want to capture. We will create an optimal flight path, but we have advanced settings if you want to make any adjustments. Flight altitude, which you're able to adjust. Enhanced 3D option if you want to have a higher resolution 3D model. Airspace and LAANC, you can do your waivers directly through DroneDeploy, and then our RTK coverage option, which allows you to use our RTK network. You can create missions in the office or in the field. When you get to site, you'll select your mission and then hit start flight to start the autonomous mission. The drone will begin to take off. It'll go to its starting location. In the top right, you will see the amount of photos being taken. As the mission begins, the drone is taking a series of overlapping photos to create a photogrammetry model. As you see, all those pins above the 3D model are individual photos that were stitched together using our software to create a 2D and 3D measurable output. You are also able to create vertical missions. To begin, you set the structure height, the lowest altitude that you want the drone to fly at, and the capture distance off the elevation. Once you get to site, you'll be able to select the mission that you created, hit start flight, and it will begin taking a series of overlapping photos to create a similar output to the standard map. A good thing to note is that you are able to actually go into inspect mode and select any part on the 3D model and find the correlating 2D photo that was used to create that portion. With the best part being that you can create an issue in 2D and have it show up on the 3D model if you need to do any punch listing or mark any waterproofing defects. For those that only do roadwork and utilities, this is a corridor mission. You're able just to draw a straight line. You can add multiple nodes for any corners or turns as well. And using the same method as the mapping mission, you're able to get this singular output. Now moving on to the media. People typically use drones for marketing content, but you don't realize that you can actually automate these missions. Starting with the 360 panorama, you're able to mark a location and we will take 26 individual photos, creating a high resolution 360 panorama. Moving on to the photo and video plans. Each node is marked as a new photo that will be taken in the same exact location at the same angle every single time. This speeds up the time it's going to take for somebody to go out into the field, take a couple random photos, try to line up the angles, and hope that they get the same result every time. Instead, in 1 minute and 53 seconds, this is your output for both photos and then continuing on to duplicate it as the video plan. Now we've covered a lot of different mission types, but once you get back into the office, you take out the SD card, you upload the data, and using the location information from the captures, we're able to recognize each mission type and drop them right onto where they belong on the site.